What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. In this one, I want to talk about Jasmcoin because we're seeing some very good movement from this position. For the past week or so, it's been looking great, but when you even zoom out to a month, you can see that clear picture of how large this growth is compared to where it has been. For the longest time, it's been holding steady at a low level, and we expected to see some rises as we see altcoin season truly happen, and more use cases and more conversation and more partnerships and all that stuff, and we're starting to see that kind of all take shape, but it doesn't mean that it's all going to happen in a matter of a day, right? Just because we talk about it potentially getting to 1 cent and breaking 2 cents, 3 cents, 4 cents, and so on and so forth, doesn't mean that it's going to happen now. It could be a week, it could be a month from now, but we're preparing for those things to happen. So in this video, I want to talk about that. But before we get started, make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you guys can check out my link down below for FortisX, please feel free to do so. FortisX is doing great work over there, keeping your holdings working for you with FortisX, liquidity pools, managed staking, earn up to 21.29% APY with no lockups, and you can withdraw anytime. You can trade some of the highest and best cryptocurrencies that are out there, like XRP or Ethereum, right? And many others that are there. It's built for what we are, which are long-term holders. I've been holding crypto for 6 years consistently, rather than things that are kind of off and on beforehand, but 6 years consistently. As I would hold for that long, I can make money, potentially 21% APY there. So they offer all of this with trust in mind, and built for that trust and long-term holders. Been operating since 2018. Public audit reports, public filings for the SEC Form D, and you can withdraw anytime with no lockup periods. They also have something that they just did, which is a bug bounty. So FortisX has officially activated its CertTech bug bounty program. We've allocated $50,000 to the program, and it's now live on CertTech. This means independent security research can continuously test the platform and report any potential vulnerabilities. This is great for security. This is great for transparency. It's great for, honestly, all of us, especially if you are invested with FortisX. So again, thank you, FortisX, for sponsoring this video. I recommend that you guys go ahead and give it a look. It doesn't hurt to check out the link, check out the platform, see what you can gain from it, because they are offering some things that are amazing, and to be as transparent and secure is fantastic. So definitely check out that link down below. And again, thank you, FortisX, for sponsoring this video. Now, Jasmcoin. Jasmcoin currently stands at a price of 0.007048, or as I like to say, 70% of a penny. And if we try and round up, even though if you're going by the regular rounding rules, we should kind of round down, but 71%. It's basically at 70.5, so let's just say 71%. But today, in the last 24 hours, it is down by 1.4%. For the market cap, it's sitting at a $349 million market cap with $33 million worth of volume. That is about a 10% volume to market cap ratio, with 49.44 billion coins in circulating supply, and almost, and I'll say almost, not there yet, almost at 100,000 holders. Is at 99.2 thousand holders. You can see the fluctuation from 75% of a penny down to 70% of a penny, back up to 75% of a penny, back down to 70% of a penny. And that's where we stand here right now. If we look at the last week, it is up by 25.76%. from this low level of 55% of a penny, making its moves, making a push up to 60, up to 65, 66, up to 70 and 75 and 77% of a penny, pushing its way to breaking that 1 cent point, even though it already has been there, right? We've seen it at 1 cent, we've seen it at 2, we've seen it damn near at 6 cents, right? So it's been up in these higher levels, and has been worth a lot, especially for people that hold hundreds of thousands or even millions of Jasmcoin. My $4,000 that I put into it at 40% of a penny at the highest point was worth $60,000. I now have 3 million Jasmy coin, which could potentially be worth a lot more than that, right? We could be looking at $180,000 for just the small investment that I have made, right? So the movement can be absolutely massive, and we expect to see that movement there. Now in the last month, it kind of creates a clear picture of how flat this has been around the 55, let's say 60 to about 55 percent of a penny for the last month, and before that 53% of a penny. My cost basis, which I will go through, is about 56% of a penny. So where we're standing, I'm up significantly on what I have. And before I decided to make my other investment, it was at 40% of a penny. But I decided to add another million and another million into it just to give me, more breathing room as I want to make short-term plays and long-term plays. But it's up by 33% if I was to round up, 33% in the last month. And the volume means a lot. To see that level of volume, to see the level of interest, to see it still slightly outside of the top 100, but have that popularity of a top 100 coin is amazing. There are some things in the top 100 that are not seeing $33 million worth of volume. I mean, today it might be different, but typically we don't see CRO up at that high of volume. We see Jasmcoin at that high of volume. No, nothing against CRO. I'm a big fan of that position as well. But to see this level of volume shows that it has popularity, shows that it has growth. Now, my position, as I said I would get into it, currently stands at 3 million Jasmcoin, which is $21.3 thousand. I have an unrealized gain of $4,598.05, or 27%. It is about 6% of my portfolio, and as you see that, this ends up growing. As you see this price grow, the percentage of my portfolio also grows because the value of it grows. So I'm up by, let's round up, $5,000 on my $15,000 investment, and would love to see that just continue to compound, continue to grow, which we will end up seeing. So some Jasmcoin news. As of May 11th, 2026, Jasmcoin is showing significant bullish momentum, with price analysis suggesting a potential 10x to 40x rally. The price recently surged to around 73% of a penny, even though we just saw the highest of 77% of a penny, representing a 10% plus daily gain, driven by a high social trading interest, increased spot volume, and reduction of tokens held on exchange. So the price rally, Jasmy has erased 3-month losses, overcoming, but still facing high short interest. The token is being highlighted as a budget-friendly pick, performing or outperforming Bitcoin in recent daily performance. Growing demand data shows tokens on exchanges are at their lowest in years, indicating increased self custody by investors. Open interest in futures market has risen to over $33 million, showing increased trading activity. Ecosystem expansion. The Jasmcoin ecosystem is growing with the launch of Junction, a new project focused on AI and data, according to Reddit's Jasmy token. Technical outlook analysts are watching its potential breakout with a key support at 58% of a penny and potential resistance at 71% of a penny, says Binance Square. Long-term targets. Some analysts are setting long-term price targets based on the anticipated expansion of the Internet of Things market and data sovereignty demands, notes Coin Checkup. And you have my video here talking about the CFO that has, spoke out and finally said something about Jasmcoin and about where it's going and all of that stuff there. So if you want to watch that video, feel free to watch that. I posted that last month on the 21st of April. But just to kind of, put a stamp on this, or some sort of conclusion on where we stand, Jasmcoin is at a great spot, right? it's at a spot to where it's still desirable at these prices. It has a lot of interest, it has a lot of unknowns. We know that things are going to skyrocket to higher and higher levels. If you can leverage trade it effectively and do it the right way, you can make so much more money on the growth and where that stands and where it's going. And I expect to see way higher levels and way more conversations in the near future and breaking into that top 100 with the volume that we already are seeing. That it should be in the top 100 just based on that. So anyways, I want to know what you guys think about where Jasmcoin is. I just wanted to give you an update of where things stand and the growth that we've seen, the movement, how flat it was and how much it has taken off, and how it's looking honestly like a bull flag right now, where it's skyrocketing and consolidating, and that consolidation leads to another absolute breakout. And I can't wait to see those things happen, so long as the market does stay positive. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. And again, thank you to FortisX for sponsoring this video. And I'm going to get out of here. I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.